In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Analytics tracking ID and tracking code. First, open your Google Analytics account. Head to analytics.google.com, sign in, and make sure you're looking at the right account and property for the site or app you're working on. If you manage multiple properties, double-check the name at the top so you don't copy an ID from the wrong place. Next, go to the admin settings. You'll find the admin gear icon at the bottom left of the Analytics interface. This is where all the key configuration lives. If anything here looks grayed out, you may need editor access from your organization to view and copy IDs. Inside admin, select data collection. This area is designed to help you control what data flows into your property, and it's the jumping off point for the details you need. From there, click data streams. Data streams are the connections between your property and your platforms, typically one stream for your website and separate ones for iOS or Android apps. This page lists every stream you've set up. Now, select the specific one you want. If you're tracking a website, choose the web stream that matches your domain. If you're working with an app, pick the corresponding iOS or Android stream. Selecting the right stream matters because each stream has its own unique identifiers. Once you're in the stream details, you'll see the measurement ID. This is your tracking ID in Google Analytics 4, and it usually starts with G, followed by a series of letters and numbers. This identifier tells Analytics exactly where to send the data from your site or app. Simply copy it, use the copy icon if you see one, or select the text carefully to avoid grabbing extra spaces. On this same screen, you'll also find your tracking code resources. Google provides the installation details associated with the selected stream, including the tag you can add to your site if you're installing it manually or the guidance you need if you're using a tag manager. Keep in mind that the measurement ID and the tracking code go hand in hand. The code is what you add to your site, and the measurement ID inside it ensures data routes to the correct property. Before you wrap up, confirm you copied the correct ID for the correct environment, especially if you maintain separate properties for staging and production. After installation, give Analytics a little time to register hits and use real-time reports to verify data is coming in. That's it. Your tracking ID and tracking code details are right there in your stream.